Imagine a world where machines fight our wars without risking a single human life. Drones that think for themselves, ground robots that roll into danger zones, and underwater vessels that patrol the seas unseen. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of defense, and it's ramping up faster than ever. Welcome to the era of autonomous and unmanned systems. In the next 5 minutes, we'll dive into what's coming next, backed by the U.S. Department of Defense's bold FY 2026 budget. First things first, what are we talking about? Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are your classic drones, from surveillance scouts to precision strike platforms. Unmanned ground vehicles, or UGVs, are the rugged robots on wheels or tracks, handling everything from bomb disposal to logistics in hostile terrain. And don't forget unmanned surface and undersea vessels. Think autonomous ships slicing through waves and submarines lurking below, gathering intel or delivering payloads without a crew. The big news? We're on the cusp of a dramatic ramp in these technologies. No more slow rollouts. These systems are about to flood the battlefield, driven by necessity. Wars today demand. Enter the numbers that prove it. The Department of Defense's fiscal year 2026 budget request earmarks a whopping $13.4 billion specifically for autonomy and autonomous systems. That's not pocket change. It's a massive investment, signaling a seismic shift in military strategy. Let's break it down. The lion's share, about $9.4 billion, goes straight to unmanned and remote-controlled aerial vehicles. Picture fleets of UAVs multiplying like never before. Swarms that overwhelm enemy defenses. AI-piloted fighters that outmaneuver human limits. This funding will supercharge production. Next up, $1.7 billion for unmanned water systems. These are the surface vessels, uncrewed ships that can loiter for months, enforcing blockades or hunting submarines. With climate change opening new Arctic routes and tensions rising in the South China Sea, these autonomous fleets will redefine naval power. No more massive crews vulnerable to attack. And lurking beneath? $734 million targeted at underwater systems. Unmanned undersea vehicles. Think stealthy subs with sonar, eyes, and torpedo teeth will map ocean floors, detect mines, and strike from the abyss. In an era of undersea cable sabotage and submarine arms races, this investment ensures America's state. But here's the real kicker. This budget isn't just about dollars, it's about acceleration. For the first time ever, autonomy gets its own dedicated section in the DoD's request. No more buried in R&D footnotes. This call-out means faster fielding and procurement. Prototypes that once took years to deploy, they'll hit the front lines in months. Contracts will pour in for innovators, from Silicon Valley startups to established giants like Lockheed and Boeing. Why now? Simple. Our adversaries aren't waiting. China and Russia are pouring billions into their own drone hordes and robot armies. The U.S. is responding with replicator initiatives, mass-producing cheap, attritable systems that can be sacrificed without heartbreak. So what does this mean for you? If you're in defense, tech, or policy, opportunities abound. Jobs in AI ethics, manufacturing booms, ethical debates on killer robots. For the rest of us, it's a safer world. Fewer boots on the ground, more brains in the machine. But it also raises questions. How do we keep humans in the loop? Ensure these systems don't go rogue? The FY 2026 budget is just the spark. By 2030, unmanned systems could make up 50% of our forces. The ramp is real. Thanks for watching. What unmanned tech excites you most? Drop a comment below, like, and subscribe for more on the cutting edge of defense. This is the future. Let's shape it right.